Next see the nth root of unity. Next see the nth root of unity. The solutions of the equation z power n which is equal to 1. The solutions of the equation z power n which is equal to 1. For positive values of integer n are the nth roots of unity. Z power n equal to 1, that is called the nth root of unity. Z is a complex number, take it up power n, that is called the nth root of unity. Polar form of the equation z power n is equal to 1 can be written as z power n can be written as polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Take it r value is 1 because here the unit circle mentioned 1. So z power n is equal to 1. It can be written as z power n is equal to cos of 0 plus 2k pi plus I sin of 0 plus 2k pi. Here 2k pi value, 2 pi value is 0. So sin 2k pi value is 0. 0 into I, 0. Cos 2 pi value is 1. So cos of 2k pi value is also 1. So 1 plus I, 0. Here exists cos value is 1. Here the value is 0. So finally we got it z power n equal to 1. So z power n equal to 1 can be written in the polar form. Z power n equal to cos of 0 plus 2k pi plus I sin of 0 plus 2k pi. Z power n is equal to, it can be written in the Euler's form. Euler's form is e power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. So it can be written as e power I theta. Theta is here. 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi. So e power I 2k pi. Here k varies from 0, 1 to etc. up to infinite number of terms. Now here apply the De Moivre's theorem. Apply the De Moivre's theorem. Before here taking nth root. So nth root means z power n the whole power 1 by n which is equal to e power I theta. So written as cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. The whole power nth root. So whole power 1 by n which is equal to cos 2k pi into 1 by n. This term comes from where Dakana? Yeah, De Moivre rule. The whole power n, bring it inside the bracket. Cos of 2k pi into n exists. Here 1 by n. So into 1 by n. Plus I sin 2k pi into 1 by n. Where k varies from 0, 1, 2, etc. Here n minus 1 term. But here 0, 1, 2, etc. infinite number of terms exist. Here n minus 1 term exists. Why? See the power. See the power carefully. The power denominator value, that is called n. Power denominator value is called n. N equation exists means n minus 1 solution exists. So k value substituted from n minus 1 terms. Here n, so k value substituted up to n minus 1 terms. Get you understand, Rakana? So cos of 2k pi into 1 by n plus I sin of 2k pi into 1 by n. K varies from 0, 1, 2, etc. n minus 1. Which is equal to cos of 2k pi into 1 by n is 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. K varies from 0 to n minus 1. And then z is equal to e power I 2k pi by n, which is in the form of, what is the Euler form, Dakana? E power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. So it can be written as, what is left hand side here? N get cancelled. Z only occur. So Z is equal to, this term can be written as e power I 2k pi by n. Z equal to omega power n. We know that Z is equal to omega power n. So omega power n is equal to e power 2 pi I by n the whole power n. Here n get cancelled. So omega power n, which is equal to e power 2 pi I. Omega power n is equal to, which is in the form of e power I theta, that is Euler form. Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. We know that cos 2 pi value is 1. Sin 2 pi value is 0. So omega power n is equal to 1 plus I into 0. So omega power n is equal to 1. See the diagram. It is real axis, it is imaginary axis. That is origin. 1 opposite direction minus 1. Here plus I. So opposite direction minus I. Consider these points. Here take it omega. Here take it omega. P and Q make it an angle theta equal to 2 pi by n. Omega moves to m root. So omega power m exists. Again move to the fourth quadrant. Omega power n minus 2. And then it is omega power n minus 1. Okay. Now see the nth root of unity. The nth roots of unity is 1, omega, omega square, etc. omega power n minus 1. That is called the nth root of unity, are in geometric progression. With the common ratio omega. With common ratio omega. The nth root of unity is 1, omega, omega squared, omega power n minus 1. These are all in geometric progression. The common ratio is omega.